Welcome to our review week for math. I have posted yesterday's video. You want to make sure that you watch that video before you watch this one. So this is our review week for math, and this is our day 2 video. If you have access to a printer, I've posted the worksheet for you. If you're just going to follow along with me, that's great. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Again, this is review. These are all concepts that we should know how to do. So here are our first exercises for today's worksheet. These are number partners. We know when looking at these questions that they give us the total, right? They give us the equal. So 6, I can count 6 fish here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we need to find the number partners. That's what they're asking. First, we find the break apart stick, right? And then we count the number partner that comes before. So what is the number partner, the first number partner in 6? 1. Good job. What is the second number partner? And we find that by, again, finding our break apart stick and then counting after. So go ahead, I'll give you some time to count. And this is the number you should have gotten, 5. Okay, and then we check, right? We always check our work. We know that 1 plus 5 equals 6, and we can check that by holding our fingers up. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and hold your fingers up and count, you can. Moving on to this next example down here for us. I'm not going to walk you through this one, okay? I want you to try it on your own. Remember your steps. Find your break apart stick, count before, count after, and then check. So I'll give you some time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and write the answer in here for you. Your first number partner is 2. And I got that again by going over here to the break apart stick and counting before. So 1, 2. And then your second partner is 5. And I got that again over here. You can see here's the break apart stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can check by using our fingers, right? 2 plus 5 equals 7. If your student struggled with these problems, you need to go back and watch the review video from previous weeks called Number Partners. Okay, so moving on to our next set of exercises. This one is working on more and fewer. So again, for this exercise, if your student cannot do this independently, they need to go back and watch that video on more and fewer. So let's take a look here at what they're asking us to do. It says, count and write the number. Circle the number that is less. So we know that we count the number. So we have how many here? 2. And how many do we have here? 3. Good. And then we circle which one is less. So which number is less, 2 or 3? Remember, that word less means smaller, the smaller number. So in this case, we would circle the 2. Go ahead and count these ones up. What number did you get? If you got this number, you're correct. Go ahead and count this one up. If you got this number, that is correct. And then you're going to circle which one's less. So what number is less, 4 or 3? Which one is smaller? The 3. Good. And then this is the last set of activities that we're going to complete for this worksheet. So these are just 2 equations. They're both addition. So I'm just going to read them aloud to you. I'll give you some time to think of your answers, and then I'll write them in for you so you can check. So here we go. We have 10 plus 1 equals. I'll give you some time to think. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and write the answer in here for you so you can check. What number is this? This is 11, so 10 plus 1 equals 11. Let's try this one down here. 10 plus 6 equals. I'll give you some time to go ahead and answer. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and write your answer in here for you. Check yourself. Okay, 10 plus 6 equals 16. Alright, so this concept here is just making sure that your student knows the numbers 10 through 20. Okay, so that's what I'm checking for here. This is the last exercise for this worksheet. Again, so if there is anything on here that they struggled with trying to find the answers to or they did not understand, you need to go back and watch those review videos. Alrighty, I'll be posting a new video for day 3 tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.